For this first time buying and first time using a torque wrench. 3/8 inch drive, and it goes from 10 to 80 foot-pounds. Also has it in Newton meters. Won't mess with that though. I'll be using foot-pounds. Went all these years without touching a torque wrench. Decided to buy one now. The main reason is because occasionally when I change or sharpen my lawnmower blades or replace them, I tend to overdo it. And I have a lot of trouble when I go back and try to remove them, de-sharpen them, or replace the blade. So I figured this would help me out. On my backup, I still haven't been able to remove the blades. Of course, I haven't tried in a while, but I think the last time I sharpened those from the backup mower was about a little over a year ago. But you can see the specs on this. The main thing I got from what I read was be sensitive when you work with this. It's not like a regular tool. If you drop it, you do something like that, you might mess up the calibration, and it might have to be reset. And of course, you probably have to pay for that. Now, as you can see there, when it's not in use, store it at the lowest settings. I'm not going to keep it with my regular tools, just to be inside somewhere. I'll only take it out if I'm going to sharpen the blade or blades from one of the mowers. This knob here is used to release this chamber here so you can select your torque. Counterclockwise on it releases it, and you want to lock it clockwise. There it is. I'm pointing to it right there, that knob right there. Loosen it. I think it's already loose though. And then here I'm selecting the torque. On my Honda mower, which is what I'm going to mess with here. Actually, I already sharpened the blades on the Honda mower, but when I put the blades back, I didn't have this range, or this wrench. So I decided to just loosen the bolts and redo it with this. So that's what I'm doing here. Now it's supposed to click, and I don't know if it's just my hearing. I don't know if I heard it click. I did both bolts there. There was some noise from the neighbor, but I don't have the sound on it here. But when I was doing it, I didn't hear the click, so I might have to go back and redo it just to make sure. But again, reminding you here, I actually did it. I'm going to put it away. So I'm going to the lowest torque, which is 10 pounds. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.